Good afternoon, folks. Welcome back to Haggett Hill. Took a little break from the trailer project this morning to take my dad fishing for a few hours. He's 82 years old and he loves to fish. We caught a few bass, caught a few crappie, and just had a blessed morning. We're back at the project now. As you can see, I've made a little progress. In our last video, the trailer was finished. So since that time, I put the mill track together. I didn't want to do a video of putting it together and bore you guys with it because there's a lot of assembly videos for woodland mills out there, but I do want to showcase getting it on the trailer. So I've got it squared up, got it all measured up, got it setting where it needs to be. Now I'm going to raise it up just a little bit. I'm going to grind off the paint where I need to weld the mounting bolts to the trailer. When I get that all done, I'll back it into the shed so I've got access to my welder. Then we'll tack weld those mounting bolts to the trailer and then come back and do the final welds on it. So stick around, watch me do this part of the project. Okay, I've got the trailer in the shop. It's all leveled up. The mill rails are clamped into place where they need to be welded. I'm going to go around and I'll tack weld each of the bolt heads to the cross members where it needs to be, a little tack on each side, and then I'll go back and in an alternating method around the trailer, I'll weld them solid. I'll give you a close-up here in just a second to show you what the bolt heads will look like. I don't know if you can see it, but that's a close-up of the bolt head on the cross member. And I'll tack it and then I'll weld it all the way around. By welding the bolt heads to the trailer rather than welding the track down solid or bolting the track down solid, I'll have some adjustments where if I need to fine tune the exact level of the mill rails, I'll be able to use the adjusting bolts, adjusting nuts, and adjust that accordingly. everything is tacked into place, I'll go off camera and do the final welds and get it welded up solid. No need to show you that. You've seen a welder before. When we come back, I'll show you the finished product for today. The rails are welded to the trailer. Got everything good and solid. I've got the log bunks on and adjusted. I've got the log clamps on and adjusted where they need to be. Now the next part of this project is to put the mill head together and get it on and get all the adjustments made, fill it up with gas and oil, test run it, get everything dialed in, then start sawing lumber.